Hey Dave, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to go over a few things you could start doing to help improve your business. So as you heard from speaking to Nate on the phone, this is just a quick SEO audit type video where I just go over a few tips and tricks you can start using to help grow your company through multiple digital marketing streams, but primarily looking at your website and just a few techniques you can use. So without further ado, let me dive right into it. So like I said, this is a search engine optimization audit basically, or SEO, so I'm just strictly going to look at it from that standpoint. So first thing I look at when I'm just talking SEO is going to be content, specifically the amount of content you have. So on a home page, what we like to see is about 1,500 words. Now I use a tool called SEO Quake, which you can get for free, and I can see that you have 525 words. So you're about 1,000 words shy of that marker. Now the reason I choose 1,500 is two reasons. One, we've had the most success with Google with using that as our minimum substandard. Reason being, it kind of shows Google that your website has validity and it's got a lot of information people to go find. But the second reason is more important and leads me to my second point, and it's keywords. It allows you to embed more keywords for Google to find and index your website for. Now, what is a keyword? Well, a keyword is anything typed right here in this Google search bar. So for example, I just typed in Albany, New York gutters, and we can see that all these things popped up. Now I wanted to find one of your top competitors, so it wouldn't be Yelp, so I just went with this Capital Gutters right here. So here's their website, and they're number 3 right there at the top of their page. So let's look more in depth at the keywords they're using. So another tool I use is called Ahrefs, and you can get this. It's about $250 a month. But what Ahrefs does is it shows you all the SEO behind a website. So we can see that they have 140 backlinks, but they're being found for 21 keywords. So let's go ahead and just take a quick glance at the keywords that they're being found for. So we can see they're being found for obviously Capital Gutters, but Gutters Albany, New York, Gutters Albany, Gutter Repair Albany, Capital Seamless Gutters, so on and so forth. What I want to draw your attention to is actually the volume. So this is how many times that exact keyword is searched every month. So you can see 200, 140, 40, 500 searches right here. And then also their position in Google, 2, 5, 5, 7, 9. Once you get past 9 and into the 10s, you're actually going to lose some of the value because Google has released that 80% of people won't scroll past the first page when on Google. So if you're on that second, third, fourth page, you're missing a lot of chances at volume and traffic. Now the last thing let's talk about is how you get to the front page of Google. And that's going to go back to this SEO, or search engine optimization, specifically offsite, and backlinking and link juice. So what a backlink is, it's a website link from one website to another website. When that happens, there's a transfer of power. So if site A points to site B gets a little bit of the power from site A. This is very important because this is what Google holds the most value in. It's basically a giant popularity contest. So I ran you in here as well, and we can see you have 23 backlinks with 10 referring domains to the 140 and 11. And you're only being found for 15 keywords, and they're being found for 21. So really just focusing on the SEO, the backlinking, as well as the keywords is what's going to get you to the top of Google and getting 80% of those searches. Now in closing, we discussed 3 things. We talked about content, having 1,500 words or more on this homepage. We discussed keywords and how when you add that content, you can get more keywords to get focused on and ultimately found by more people for your services. Lastly, most importantly, we talked about how to get you to the top of Google by utilizing SEO techniques and offsite SEO, specifically backlinking. Now if you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt you can grow in Google. But if you want to make it to the first page, stay on the first page, and want to focus on your business while someone else focuses on your website, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.